Hello, you are welcome to solve this math Olympiad problem, which is let a and b are real numbers satisfying the following equation, which is a plus b, which is equal to 1, and a squared plus b squared times a cubed plus b cubed, which is equal to 26. Find the value of a squared plus b squared, and we have an alternative. A is 26, b is 13 over 3, c is 5 over 2, and d is 5 over 3. So let's go to the solution. Let's assign equation 1 and equation 2. So let a plus b, which is equal to 1, is equation 1, and a squared plus b squared times a cubed plus b cubed is equal to 26. Let's assign this equation 2. So from equation 2, we have a term a squared plus b squared. So from a basic known algebraic identity, we know that a plus b, the whole square, is equal to a squared plus 2 times of ab plus b squared. So from this basic algebraic identity, we can find a squared plus b squared, so which is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times of ab. So a squared plus b square will be this a plus b square, a plus b square minus 2 times of ab. So we can say it as equation 3. And also in a similar manner from algebraic identity, we know that we have a term here, a cubed plus b cubed. So a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So it can be rearranged as a plus b times a square plus b square minus ab. So from equation 3, we can substitute a square plus b square. So from equation 3, we have a square plus b square. So a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a square plus b square is equal to a plus b square minus 2 times of ab from equation 3, as you have seen here, minus the remaining one is a times b. So now let's distribute a plus b. So a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a plus b square, which is equal to a. So a cubed plus b cubed, which is equal to a plus b times a plus b square, will be a plus b cubed minus this 2 times ab minus ab will be 3 times of ab times this one, that's a plus b. So we have a cubed plus b cubed in this form, and let's say equation 4. We have given that a squared plus b squared times a cubed plus b cubed is equal to 26. So from equation 3 and equation 4, we have a squared plus b squared and also a cubed plus b cubed. So it is from equation 3, and for this from equation 4, we have a squared plus b squared is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2 times of ab times a squared plus a cubed plus b cubed. From equation 4, we have a plus b cubed minus 3 times of ab into a plus b, which is equal to 26. So now we know that from equation 1, we have a plus b, which is equal to 1, and let's a times b is equal to p. So let's substitute this term into this equation. So a plus b squared, that's a plus b is 1 square minus 2 times of ab is equals to p, 2 times of p, times a plus b is 1, so 1 cubed, minus 3 times of a times b is p, into a plus b is equal to 1, which is equal to 26. So 1 square is 1 minus 2 times of p, and 1 cubed is equal to 1 minus 3p, which is equal to 26. So this will be 1 square minus 3p minus 2p plus 6p squared, which is equal to 26. So finally we have 6p squared minus 5p plus 1, which is equal to 26. And let's bring this 26 into the left hand side. So 6p squared minus 5p plus 1 minus 26, which is equal to 0. So finally we have the quadratic equation 6p squared minus 5p minus 25 is equal to 0. So we can solve this equation by using the quadratic formula. So let's identify the coefficients. A is 6, b is minus 5, and c is equal to minus 25. So this p can be determined by using the formula minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times of a. So let's substitute the value of each coefficient into this formula, p, which is equal to minus 5 minus of minus 5 plus or minus the square root of minus 5 square minus 4 times 6 times minus 25 divided by 2 times 6. And we have p, which is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of, this will be 25 minus 4 times 25, 100 times 6, 600, minus times minus plus, so this will be plus 600 divided by 12. So this will be, which is equal to 5 plus or minus the square root of 625 divided by 12. So finally we have p, which is equal to 5 plus or minus root 625 will be 25 over 12. So finally we will have p, which is equal to 5 plus 25 over 12, or p, which is equal to 5 minus 25 divided by 12. So we have 2p, that's p, which is equal to plus 13 divided by 12, or p, which is equal to minus 20 divided by 12. So when we simplify this one, p will be by 6 5 by 6 2, or p, which is equal to by 4 minus 5 by 4 3. Now let's prove which one is the correct value of p that satisfies the equation. So we are asked to find the value of a squared plus b squared, which is equal to 1 minus 2 times of ab. So this is equal to 1 minus 2 times of, which is equivalent to a plus b squared minus 2 times of ab, but this a plus b is 1, so 1 squared will be 1, so 1 minus 2 times of ab, and this ab is equal to p. So when p, which is equal to, when p is equal to 5 over 2, so what will be the value of a squared plus b squared? A squared plus b squared, which is equal to 1 minus 2 times of 5 over 2. So this is equal to 1 minus 5, which is minus 4. So a squared plus b squared, which is equal to minus 4, cannot be the solution. Cannot be the solution. So let's check for the second one. That's when p is equal to minus 5 over 3. So we have a squared plus b squared, which is equal to 1 minus 2 times of ab, so which is equivalent to 1 minus 2 times of p. So we know the value of p, so let's substitute the value of p into this equation, which times 5 minus 5 over 3. So this will be 1 minus, that's minus 2 times minus 5, that's 2 times minus 5, that's minus 10 divided by 3. So it will be 1 minus plus 10 over 3, which is 3 plus 10 divided by 3, which is equal to 13 over 3. So the final value and the valid solution for a square plus b square is equal to 13 over 3 is the correct answer for the given problem. So let's check the given alternatives. We have A 26, B 13 over 3, C 5 over 2, D 5 over 3. So our answer will be B, which is 13 over 3. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time.